From the fiery depths of a volcano comes a mesmerizing display of molten rock, a spectacle that has both captivated and terrified humans for centuries. But what if we could see it in a whole new light? Welcome to Lava Flows, a super slow-motion adventure where we take you on an epic journey through the heart of a volcano to uncover the hidden secrets of lava flows. As molten lava surges forth, we'll use super slow motion to reveal the shocking truth behind these fiery rivers. Get ready to be amazed as we take you closer to the action than you've ever seen before. Have you ever wondered what happens when molten rock meets the air? Or how does it change its shape as it flows? If you're fascinated by the power of nature and want to learn more about lava flows, then this video is for you. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of lava flows like never before. You won't believe your eyes as we reveal the hidden details of lava flows in slow motion. Lava flows are one of the most spectacular and dangerous natural phenomena on Earth. But did you know that they are also beautiful and mesmerizing? Lava flows can travel long distances at high speeds, destroying everything in their path. But have you ever seen them up close? Have you ever seen them in slow motion? In this video, we will use super slow motion cameras to capture the beauty and power of lava flows like never before. You will see the molten lava surging forth from a volcano in all its glory. You will see how it changes shape and form as it flows down the side of the volcano. You will see how it interacts with the environment around it. You will see the destruction and the creation that follows in its wake. But that's not all. We will also use expert commentary to help you understand the science behind lava flows. You will learn about the different types of lava flows and the factors that affect their speed and intensity. You will learn about the composition of lava and how it affects its viscosity and explosivity. You will learn about the history of volcanic eruptions and the impact they have had on our planet. We will take you on a journey through some of the most active volcanoes in the world, from the slopes of Mount Stidi, Noggins in Japan to the depths of the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. You will witness the birth of new land as lava flows create new islands and change existing ones. You will see how lava flows interact with water and create steam explosions, lahars, and other fascinating features. You will see how lava flows can preserve for millions of years and create unique landscapes that are home to new life. This is more than just a video. It's an adventure. It's a celebration of the power and beauty of nature. It's a chance to learn something new and expand your horizons. So don't miss out. Click now and join us on this epic journey through the heart of a volcano. You won't believe what you'll see. Lava Flows, a super slow motion adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. And if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.